Okay, this is a review of a 2018 Nissan Rogue SV Sport all-wheel drive. And this is this particular model with the backup camera. So basically what I'm going to do is just do an interior exterior review and showing you the engine. So let's get started, guys. Okay, to start with, we're going to show you the chrome finish on the grille as well as the Nissan emblem. And I'm pretty sure that those are the HID headlamps. If anybody knows about it, please tell me. Okay guys, just showing you the exterior before we get to the interior, so let's do this. Okay, this one's got a smart key access system as well as the white exterior with tan cloth interior. And you can see it was manufactured December of 2017 according to the build date. It's got the power and lumbar seats as well as all the power options, power mirrors. Alright, so let's get inside. It's got all the Bluetooth options and it's showing 15 miles on the odometer. It's got touchscreen navigation with a backup camera as well as the sliding visors. I'm really digging what Nissan did with the new Rogue, so kudos to them. So it's got the Xtronic CVT with manual shift mode as well as, I think they're heated or ventilated seats, I'm not sure. So I like the fit and finish on these Rogues much more than the previous model. So this particular one comes with the heated steering wheel, traction control, all-wheel drive, and eco mode. Let's check out the engine and the fuel economy on this. So let's do this. Alright, let's show you the engine right now, guys. This one's got the 2-liter dual overhead cam 16 valve 4-cylinder with continuously variable valve timing control system. It's 141 horsepower at 6,000 RPM with 147 foot-pounds of torque at 4,400 RPM. So it's got just a little bit more oomph over the previous model. Now, sitting in the new Rogue, it makes you feel more comfortable for like if you seat up to 5 people. And like I said, I've always liked the newer generation Nissan Rogue over the previous model, but everybody's got their own opinion on, you know, what vehicles they like of that generation. And you can see it's manufactured in Kanda, Fukuoka, Japan. I think that's how you pronounce it, but if it's not, excuse me. The fuel economy for the Rogue is 24 city and 30 highway. Now getting into the passenger side of the Rogue, you're going to feel that there is not enough room to get in. So moving the front seats up would be the easiest way to go if you need, you know, more room. But I gotta say, this is about the coolest looking Nissan Rogue I have ever seen. And I like the fit and finish too, so there you go. Now the Nissan Rogue is a competitor to the Ford Escape, Toyota RAV4, the Mazda CX-5, the Buick Encore, and a few others in the SUV category. So again, you're not going to have any room, any leg room to get in, but I'm 5'9" and I can get in without any trouble. And it looks as though that I'm doing the thumbs up for you guys. And again, I love these chrome door handles. They are a nice fit and finish to the current model Rogue. If, you know, at any time I'm missing out on this video, please let me know. and even if I have to look up the info myself on this SUV, that's no problem either. So I hope everybody rate, comment, and subscribe to me, and I will get more videos posted. Alright guys, thank you for watching.